Hey everyone, Charlie here with Daily Motor, and I'm here in the 2020 Hyundai Elantra Limited, and I want to show you all how the sound system sounds. This is the top level limited trim, and it has the upgraded Infinity Premium Audio System. I've got some uncompressed WAV high quality audio files on an iPod here, connected directly into the vehicle via USB. I'm going to play a few songs stationary, and then drive around a little bit, play a few songs, and let you hear what the system sounds like. Now remember, this is with binaural high quality microphones, so you guys are hearing exactly what I hear in my ears right now. Here's some low volume. Medium. And loud. Let's take a look at some of the sound menu settings. my observations of the system so far, overall I'm impressed. I'm not sure what the wattage is on this system or the exact speaker count. I could look that up, but what matters is how it sounds in the driver's seat. You can have Cadillac systems with 30 speakers in there, and if they're not tuned well, it's not going to sound good. This one, though, actually sounds pretty crisp, and you guys would be surprised how many systems actually sound pretty decent with high-quality audio files. But I'm noticing a lot of crisp sounds, a lot of good high ranges coming through. When you turn it up loud and you get some of the bass coming in a song like this one, this heavier song, it is a little bit muddied on the hard bass hits from the bass drum. But at a loud volume, you are asking a lot, and I doubt the subwoofer is very big in this car. So all in all, for $27,000, I think it sounds pretty good. Let's take a little look through the settings here. We've got positioning, fader. You can stick it right where you want. If we put it right on the driver's seat here. It doesn't actually center the sound on the driver's seat, it just focuses it over here, so you've got a lot more sound coming out of the left front speakers here. Different volumes, and that actually pauses the music.
Guidance will be at this volume. Guidance will be.
Please no, we don't want it at that volume. Here's your standard tone settings, bass. Mid-range, and treble. If I were driving this car regularly, I'd probably turn the bass and the treble up one or two together. Different priorities here for sounds, and some navigation-specific volume adjustments. Oh, we got some more. Oh, speed-dependent volume control, so that'll make the sound go louder as you get faster in the car. And then you can reset defaults. All right, let's go for a little drive and I'll let you hear it on the road. Some of those mid to high ranges are coming through a little strong in my ears. will say in that track, those high-pitched piano notes are coming through a little. They're coming in too strong and too high in my ears. There's a term for that, and it's escaping me right now. We're going 70 miles per hour here. We're doing 70 miles per hour on the freeway, and here's just a baseline sound for you to hear what the ambient noise is like. Okay, let's check out another track. This song is asking a lot of the sound system, and it's starting to expose a bit of its weaknesses. It's just hard for these speakers to recreate all of those sounds in that song, especially mixed into different channels and everything. Let's try one of the ones we listened to while we were stopped. The crisp sounds are coming through really nice, but there's definitely a power that the system is lacking. Let's try one last one. Yeah, listening to that song at high volumes while driving and while dealing with the ambient noise of the car, the system definitely had a little bit of a struggle overpowering the road noise and mixing all the different sounds of this uncompressed audio file well and clearly and crisply. Some of the sounds definitely came through strong, but it's lacking a little bit on the low end and a little bit of finessery on the high end. So overall, I think good for the price range. I can say it's better than Honda's system. I would give it, if I had to rank it 1 through 10, I'd give it probably about a 7. Alright, thanks for tuning in to the sound system test for the 2020 Hyundai Elantra. Be sure to check out our full review of the car coming up on the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Drive on.